Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends in the Duolingo app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our lessons from a course. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then here at the top we find add friends. We can tap on this, and then we can choose from these three categories. We can either choose from contacts. So if one of our friends that we have in our contacts list uses Duolingo, we can just tap on choose from contacts, tap on allow, so that the app has access to our contacts, and then just add our friends from there. We can even search by name if they know their username on Duolingo, or we can share our profile by tapping on this. Then people can just scan it and add us as friends. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.